Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda CRV steering wheel. Park the car, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait 10 minutes to let the system fully power down. Start by removing trim panels and the horn pad with plastic pry tools to avoid scratches. Photograph wiring and keep screws organized in labeled containers. Handle the airbag carefully and place it face up on a flat surface away from your workspace. Begin by centering the wheels and marking the shaft to maintain alignment during reassembly. Remove the center nut while holding the wheel to prevent sudden movement, then thread on a steering wheel puller and extract the wheel evenly. Keep the wheel straight as you lift it away to protect the clock spring. Set the wheel aside and inspect the hub and splines for wear before continuing with disassembly or replacement steps. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after a hands-on steering job. It lightens the mood and masks garage odors. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With the wheel removed, check the clock spring for damage and replace if needed to avoid steering or airbag faults. Reinstall the wheel using your alignment marks and thread the center nut, tightening it to the correct torque specification from the service manual. Reconnect the airbag and horn connectors carefully, then reconnect the negative battery terminal and perform a system check for airbag lights or steering irregularities before road testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.